Welcome. This is Sri Shankara College NCC inviting new cadets for upcoming year. First of all, you all will have doubt about what is NCC and the advantage of NCC. Let us brief about it. The National Cadet Corps is the Indian military cadet corps with its headquarters at New Delhi. It is open to school and college students for voluntary basics. The National Cadet Corps in India is a voluntary organization which recruits cadets from high school, college and universities all over India. In Sri Shankara College, we have a well-built NCC unit since 1954. We have Associate NCC Officer Dr. Raji Ramakrishnan with a 5 shining star. The obstacle training is one of the main advantages of a cadet who is joining NCC in Sri Shankara College. Also, we have our own firing range, which cadet can practice firing. The NCC unit will have a meeting on every Friday and have parades on every Saturday and holidays. 32 seats are reserved per course in the IMA for cadets who have passed the NCC certificate examination. NCC cadets having 50% aggregate mark in graduation with a minimum B grade in C certificate examination are eligible for short service commission without qualifying CDS written examination. They will face direct SSB interview. NCC trained cadets are given preference in recruitment of armed force. Many industrialists given priority in job for NCC trained students. Central and state government also given priority in job for NCC cadets. The cadets are given priority in recruitment, reserve force and BSF etc. During this COVID-19, the students conducted online programs like Yoga at Home on International Yoga Day. Competition was held on the topic drug abuse. Plantation Pakwada was conducted by planting trees on every cadet's home. Environmental Day quiz was conducted on June 5th. Also, drill competition was held on every Independence Day and Republic Day every year. As a part of Fit India NCC unit, Sri Shankara College also conducted a cyclotron. On International Day of Drug Abuse, we conducted a group-wise video making competition to strengthen action and cooperation to achieve the goal of International Society free of drug abuse. In connection with the 75th Independence Day celebration, conducted various competitions. Flag hosting ceremony was held maintaining all the COVID protocols. There are several more programs conducted by NCC SSC which help cadets to build a perfect mind and make them strong. Sri Shankara College had conquered many positions in district and the national level. Cadets from our college had taken part in Republic Day Camp, Kal Sainik Camp and National Games which was held at New Delhi. Many ex-cadets from Sri Shankara College had contributed their best in Prime Minister Rally, Rajpath, Best Cadet, cultural events at national level as a part of RDC. And also many of them received a gold medal. The first woman guard commander of Kerala Lakshadweep Directorate was Under Officer Sri Priya TP, a cadet from Sri Shankara College. Many NCC alumni are now operating different posts in defense area like Army, Navy and Air Force. So, there will be a selection for the new cadets who all are interested to join in this fabulous journey of your life should come and be a part of Sri Shankara College NCC unit.